Hey everybody, Mike here, MSL Computer. If your computer is acting up and it's not working right, you can do a restore. You can do a full reset, and there's two ways to go about that, and I'm going to show you how to do that in just a minute. Stay with me. Now, a system reset, what happens when you do that, you're bringing the computer back to when it was running good. So basically, you're going to have it like when you first got it, before you added on any programs or things like that. And I'm going to show you how to do that. Or on the bottom, and you type in reset. Once you type in reset, you'll go to the reset my PC window, and then you'll choose where it says recovery options, reset this PC. Once you do that, you'll get the box where it says keep my files or remove everything. So you choose one, and then you just follow the prompts. So you're either going to reset your computer, or you're going all the way to factory setting, or you're going to keep your file. Even if you choose to keep my file one, I would still back up your information just to be on the safe side. That's all you got to do, and it'll go through the whole thing. It'll tell you exactly what to do, and once you're done, it'll go boot up, restart, and it'll take you back to the Windows screen. You may have to put on a couple programs, but the computer will run good after that.